So welcome back to my channel. So the thing that frustrates me is the news about our Indian-made Maruti Suzuki Swift scoring 0-star ratings with reference to safety standards in the Latin NCAP test. Now in 2020, when the Euro standard Maruti Suzuki, the Suzuki Swift was crash tested in the Euro NCAP test, it scored a 3-star rating. Now the same product sold in India has scored a 0-star rating, and that is absolute hypocrisy with reference to Suzuki to Indian customers. Customers are price sensitive, and including these safety standards does increase the price. But again, you cannot provide products that have 0-star rating. So it's not only the Maruti Suzuki Swift, you have the Maruti Suzuki Espresso, you have the Maruti Suzuki Alto, you have the Eco and the Celerio. Even they have scored 0-star ratings with reference to safety. Now the difference between the products sold in India than in Europe is the government rules as well. Our government rules are absolutely relaxed or non-existent with reference to safety standards for manufacturers to follow while they sell the products to our Indian customers. Yes, we are very specific with reference to the emission norms. That's why you have the BS 3, 4, 5, 6. But we are not specific with reference to safety standards. And I feel that's a major miss with reference to our government as well. The same government that, and I'll emphasize the word, any person who wants to modify their vehicle on the name of safety, and I'll underline the word safety. You cannot modify your vehicle because our government is extremely concerned regarding our safety and the pedestrian safety, because the vehicle will not perform the way it has been originally built. The same government is more than happy if Maruti Suzuki Swift sells cars at 0-star ratings with reference to safety on our Indian roads. I mean, it just doesn't make sense. If you follow the same logic, at least allow people who own Suzuki vehicles to modify their vehicles, because you can't possibly go below 0. I mean, I'm assuming there's no -1 or -2-star rating, right? So just allow them. But coming back to my point, we have Indian manufacturers like, say, Tata, even Mahindra. They manufacture products between 4 to 5-star ratings. Tata consistently manufactures products between the 4 and 5, and most of their products are in the 5-star ratings. And I'm not talking like these products are exorbitantly high. I'm not talking like they're Mercedes levels. Yes, in terms of safety, they may be Mercedes level, but they're pretty much affordable. The most baffling part is us Indians. We are more concerned about fuel efficiency and resale value as opposed to whether we live or no to resale the vehicle. Now, if a Tata gives an average of, say, 1 or 2 kilometers less than a light Maruti Suzuki vehicle, because obviously it is lighter than the Tata, we would prefer purchasing a Suzuki because we're saving 2 kilometers per liter every time we drive. And that's a mentality that we Indians really need to think, and we should really feel like, okay, you know what, we need to buy homemade products, homegrown products, home developed products that are being developed by Indians for Indians, instead of accepting vehicles that are being manufactured in India for Europe with higher safety standard, and the substandard products are being sold for us because we just don't complain about it. There's no one who wants to raise a voice against it. So I feel this is particularly wrong with reference to our Indian automobile industry. So I hope you all have the same views. If you don't, I would look forward for seeing your comments, and I look forward for seeing you in my next video. Do support by subscribing, and thanks for tuning in. Thank you.